Hello guys, I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. So today's session we are going to discuss about the Power Query. So why we are using Power Query, what is the use of the Power Query, and what is the perspectives of the using Power Query. So Power Query basically used for data cleaning purpose, right? And suppose once we have a data in company, once raw data coming to us, so that data is messy data, right? That data not clean, so that data we have to clean it and make it relevant. After cleaning data, we have to import to the data section in Power BI, right? So Power Query basically is for data cleaning. Data cleaning like is not does mean only null value, right? In data cleaning, it means there is a null value also. The data which will include with the delimiter as well. Delimiter like a comma, semicolon, dot, right? And at the rate sign, hashtag, dollar. So any kinds of delimiter it can be in data set. Okay. So let's say practically how we'll do that, right? So very simple. You have to simple click on the get data. I have to take data from Excel data set. Click on it. Okay. After clicking on this, I will choose my data set like Power BI. Okay. This one you can see 1.1 exercise text function. I've already prepared the data here. Say you can see the data set here like text delimiter, Text.Upper, Lower, Proper, and split and trim. Like where we like Excel already taught you guys, trim we use for unwanted space to clean from data set, prefix, suffix, merge, left, right, mid, condition, prefix, suffix. So first I had to get text delimiter and you can see the load and transform. So now we are going to click on the transform data. Okay. So simply click on the transform data, not on the load once you use the Power Query. Refresh it. Okay. So now you can see my data set is here loaded in Power Query Editor. So this is a user interface of the Power Query guys. Power Query Editor, how the Power Query look like, right? So here you can see the tab, home tab, transform, add column, views, tool, and help. So you can see each of the tab we have a certain tools. You can see the section wise divided here, which one we are going to use to perform certain action on it in Power Query. Okay. Then transform, you can see there's a various kinds of tool which we are going to perform in Power Query, right? Like a table, like any column, text column, number, date and time column, scripts, right? Add column, you can see the option here. So let's start. So for text column, simple, I go to the transform option. In transform, you can click on the extract. Here you can see length option, first characters, last characters, range, text before delimiter, text after delimiter, text between delimiters, right? So length means if you want to know the length of the text, you can see the length of the text. Guys, here in Power Query, whatever step you perform, it will come here, apply the step, how many number of step you applied it, okay? Click on change type here, fine. And you can see the length when done. Now go for the second one, first character, insert it. So you can see enter how many string character to keep. Like from starting, suppose I want two. So see only two will out. So you can see here calculated text length and extract first character. So two step we apply. So how many apply the steps it will come here. Okay. Step into change type again. Come back to the main data set. Again I go to the extract. I take a last character. Again insert it. Okay. Suppose from last I want four. Okay. So you can see 4 digit will out from the text case. Again you go back change type and here so in Power Query here everything going to do with the click events. Again transform extract range means between like from where to where. So say enter the indexes like a start index suppose 1 and number of characters suppose 3. So my text will out between 1 to 3 only. Click on it. Okay. So you can see 3 will out. Again come to the change type and again go back. Here you can see the text before delimiter. So click insert again. You can say enter delimiter marks the end what you like to extract. Suppose I given first delimiter has tag and click OK. So before has, what is this? The name title will out, you can see. Again, I will go to the change type, extract text after delimiter. Again, click insert. So after delimiter, what is it? At the rate. Second delimiter here, add sign. So after then you can see surname is there. So all the surname out from the name of the list here. Again, change type and again I go text between delimiter. So see start delimiter start what has and delimiter what is at the rate. So whatever there is there you can use it. So it will out who text coming between has and at the rate between. Okay. Click OK. So your first name is there. You can see Vehan, Pooja, John. Okay. Rest of the names are here. Again go to the change type. Start. Okay. So that one you completed guys. Text before delimiter, after and between. Now go to the next. Again go to the home tab. Click again Excel file. Okay. So just wait, it takes some time. Again, I go to the next one. Text upper, lower, and proper. So what do you mean by upper, lower, and proper? Upper means if you want capital letter, again click OK because you're already in the Power Query page. Refresh it. Upper means capital letter, lower means small. Okay, proper is first letter should be capital, rest of the small. Control is select all. Transform, you can go to the format, you can see here. Lower, once I click on the lower, you see all name converted to the small letter guys. Again, if I click uppercase, so all converted to the capital letter. If I click apply each word, so see first letter capital, rest of the small. You can see Tushar, T capital, Shagun, Ayush, Naveen, Rahul, Priya, Himanshu, you can see. Okay, even you can see the last name. Fine. Clear. Next one, we go to the trim and clean the another data set. Okay. So again, I will go back to the home. Next one, I will take it to Excel workbook. Again, text function, open it. Now, split and trim. Click on OK. And refresh it. So you can see guys, my data set here like shipping address here, like some address given here, and here all the address holding the delimiter comma separated here, right? So let's see how we're going to make it separated. So again, go to the transform. You can see the option here, split column. See by delimiter, by number of character, by position, by lower to upper, by upper to lower case, by digit to non digit, and by non digit to digit. So here you can see by delimiters, obviously delimiters is there. Click on it guys. So split column by delimiter, specify the delimiter used to split the text column, right? So here you can see by default comma coming. Once you click on this list, you can see here comma, equal sign, semicolon, space, tab. If some delimiter not matching here, right? Suppose underscore is there, dollar sign, at rate has. So simple go to the custom and you can type here your delimiter which are not matching in this drop down list. Okay. So I have for now comma, so I choose comma. You can see split it, it means where from is split it. So leftmost delimiter, if your delimiter belongs to data in left side, rightmost delimiter, each occurrence of delimiter. So here in my data set, each occurrence of this here you can see. Click OK. So see all the data just split it now. Okay. So easily you are able to split your data in column. Okay. Now control A. Here you can see unwanted space here. I just go to the format. I click on the trim. See, even Uttarakhand space was there. So say unwanted space remove. So now data 100% clean, unwanted space. Okay. Okay, so this is your text function, guys, which when we're done, even you can again go back to the file, new file, Excel, text function, open it. Prefix and suffix, you can take it. Click OK. Fine. Okay, so next session we will continue from the prefix and suffix. So thank you so much for today, guys. Take care, all of you. Keep on practicing.